Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my new PB Speckled Trout. I catch it at the Seawolf Park. So let's enjoy the video. The setup I used today is Shimano Stella 3000 with a Shimano Poison Adrena. It's really hard to cast small lures with bait caster, so I decided to switch to the spinning reel setups. You can see I used two small jig heads to try to catch some speckled trout or central at the Seawolf Park near the rocks. There are lots lines down there, so you must jig very carefully to avoid them. If not, you will get hooked on the rocks or the lines. You will lose your lure.
Hi guys, first trout of the day. Healthy central, healthy speckled trout, sorry.
No bites from the small jig head with small plastic lure, so I decided to switch to bigger lures. In my previous video, you can see that some angler use a big plastic lure to catch huge speckled trout at the Seawolf Park. So I changed it to it's a 4-inch long Gulp plastic lure. You can buy it from the academy stores.
Hi guys, I caught a beast. Oh, yes. Oh, sir, can you bring my net here? My big net, the green one. Can you help me? It's too big. Thank you, sir. Appreciate. Oh, be careful! Be careful! Oh, be careful! Let me go away. Yes! Yes! That's a monster! Thank you, sir! Wow. Finally, I catch a big one. I catch a big one.
Let me take a picture for you.
Huh?
Camera.
I use the camera. I can do it. I can do it. Thank you, sir. Let me measure it. That's the fish that I'm targeting at. And
Can I take a picture?
yeah,
Yeah, you measure first.
yes. I'm waiting for it.
How many?
I think it's 22.
This one.
Maybe 22.
23 or 24.
23. 23 and a half. Right?
This is nice.
Yes.
23.
23. Oh, sunshine.